In a world filled with diverse individuals, we often encounter toxic people who can drain our energy and positivity. But how can we deal with them without becoming entangled in their negativity? Join us on this enlightening journey through a Zen story that imparts wisdom on handling toxic people. If you find this story insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more life-changing content. Once upon a time in a remote Zen monastery, there lived a wise and renowned Zen master. People traveled from far and wide to seek his guidance and wisdom. Among his visitors was a young woman who had been struggling with a toxic person in her life. She came to the Zen master, seeking advice on how to deal with this individual who seemed to bring nothing but misery. The Zen master invited the young woman to sit with him in the peaceful garden of the monastery. He poured her a cup of tea, and as she eagerly waited for his wise counsel, he began to pour the tea into her cup. The tea filled the cup, reached the brim, and then kept on pouring, spilling over and creating a small puddle on the ground. The young woman watched in confusion as the master continued to pour. She interrupted, "Master, the cup is overflowing. It cannot hold any more tea." The Zen master looked at her with a warm smile and said, "Just like this cup, your mind is already overflowing with thoughts, feelings, and emotions about the toxic person in your life. To deal with them, you must first empty your cup." The young woman was puzzled by his response. She thought, "How can I empty my mind of all the negativity that person has brought into my life?" She asked the master for guidance. The Zen master then told her another story, a story about two monks who were traveling together. They reached a river, and there they saw a distressed woman unable to cross. One of the monks, without hesitation, picked her up, carried her across, and put her down on the other side. The two monks continued their journey in silence. Hours passed, and the other monk couldn't contain his curiosity any longer. He asked, "We monks are not supposed to touch women. Why did you carry her across the river?" The first monk replied, "I put her down on the other side of the river hours ago, but you are still carrying her in your mind." The young woman realized the profound wisdom in the stories the Zen master had shared. She understood that to deal with toxic people, she needed to let go of the negative emotions, grudges, and judgments she had been carrying within her. Just as the cup needed to be emptied before it could be filled with fresh tea, her mind needed to be emptied of negativity to embrace a more positive perspective. In life, we often carry the burdens of past encounters with toxic people, allowing them to weigh us down. The Zen story teaches us that to find peace and clarity, we must let go of these burdens and embrace a more open and accepting mindset. As the young woman left the monastery with a newfound sense of serenity, she realized that dealing with toxic people was not about changing them but about changing herself. She had learned the art of emptying her cup, letting go of negativity, and creating space for positivity to flow in. We hope you found this Zen story enlightening, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tales of wisdom and inspiration. Remember, the path to dealing with toxic people begins with finding peace within yourself.